Hello again. So we have looked at animal survival. Now we're going to look at plant survival. So you should have your plant survival text. And once again, I'm going to read out loud. You have the text coming across in Spanish. You have the text in English in front of you, and I am reading it out loud as well. So here we go. What do plants need to survive? We know that some plants, like ferns, have been on Earth for millions of years. Other plants that once existed are now extinct. Plants become extinct as their habitats change. For example, if the temperature in a region changes, some plants may not be able to adapt to the new environment. Sometimes a species will die out because stronger plants are using more of the light around them. Plant extinction is hard to prove. Plants can exist for years as dormant or sleeping seeds. When conditions are right, they may grow again. Plants once believed to be extinct have turned up years later in isolated locations. Plants have also developed ways to protect themselves. Some plants are poisonous, so animals and insects don't eat them. Other plants have sharp thorns that help keep hungry animals away. Bad weather, high winds, heavy rain, floods, and drought can damage and destroy plants. Plants try to adapt to these conditions. Some plants make seeds that are waterproof. Other plants develop extensive root systems to search for water. Some plants use high heat from the sun or a fire to release their seeds. Some plants can grow in snow and cold or underwater. Humans are among the biggest threats to plant survival. A careless person who drops a match in a forest can start a fire that destroys thousands of plants. As the population grows, more land is cleared to build cities, roads, and houses. Many trees and other plants are destroyed. Humans have relied on plants for thousands of years. Plants provide food. People use trees to build houses. Plants also provide fibers that people use to make clothing. Many medicines are made from plants.